Welcome to Autotech channel. This is the recent news that the Honda Jazz 2020 is launched in India at the price point of 7.49 lakh. The engine used is the BS6 compliant 1.2 liter petrol engine, IV Tech petrol engine, and this is the only offering engine at the moment for the Jazz. Previously, it was a ID Tech diesel engine also offered to the Jazz, but right now it is a only IV Tech petrol engine with this BS6 norms compliance. So we will get manual as well as CVT compliant transmissions. So get the three types of trim, which is a V, and base is a V model, and VX is a mid trim, and also the top trim is a ZX. Only we are getting the three trim at the moment. So these trims are also will compliance with both the CVT as well as manual transmission. It's 1.2 liter IV Tech engine which produces 89 PS of power and also 110 Nm of torque. The price bracket, which starts from 7.49 lakhs for the V manual transmission, and also it will go all the way up to 9.79 lakhs for the ZX CVT variant top model. These prices are ex-showroom at the Delhi. Let's talk about the interior features, which are the segment exclusive sunroofs and also the glassy front grille, which is new to this Honda Jazz, and also the LED DRL with hidden shells and the signature rear LED, wings light, and also the new designed fog lamp. As we already know, the Honda Jazz is famous for best-in-class space. About the premium hatchback interior has been neatly laid out, and this interior has a touchscreen infotainment system with the connectivity features and also browsing features in it. So it continues to get this feather touch climate control, which is unique to the segment. Already we know that the Honda Jazz petrol engine is a very refined engine for the city driving. Continues to get this engine with this BS6 terms, we will get the more refined engine at this segment. Honda Jazz is very famous for the sure ride and handling. Continues and get the same. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.